Next stock, Colgate. To talk about Colgate, there is a lot of fantastic stories that is there on Colgate. Maybe I want to do a individual video on Colgate. That's why I don't want to talk here. Here, just we are doing a snapshot review. In this, let's go through the regular process. Earnings rank 69.5. That is about 30% of companies are better than Colgate in the market today. This generally happens when the core sector runs up in the market. FMCG will take back seat. That's what is happening with all the FMCG stocks in the market today. So again, FMCG are hot favorites always. So when core sector is running up, they will be silent or weak. This is the time to acquire them. If somebody has a deep pocket, want to build a retirement portfolio and all this, this is the time to buy FMCG stocks. So price rank is 45, way below the required rank numbers. Anything above 70 only a stock is attractive to look at. Anything below 70, just forget about buying a stock unless if it is picking up in speed on the stock rank report. This stock has been going on tight range for a very long time. I think just last week it is broken out of its range. Now, if it comes to value, then we can buy. So I didn't put a value here because it is yet to form a value zone. Just now it is had a breakout. Problem with Colgate is it is having low single digit sales and profit is very, very volatile. Some quarters it is giving big profit, some quarters it is negligible. So that is not good. Generally, when volatility is there in profit, investors don't prefer to buy the stock. At least big money will not chase the stocks. It needs consistency. Only if consistency is there, people will put money into the stock. Traders will take advantage. Again, Colgate is not giving trading advantage also. It's been in a very, very tight range for a very long time. So since January 2020, it has been in the sideways range. It actually required a breakout. I did this report 2 days back. That time this breakout was just visible there. Now I think it's broken out. Colgate is a good dividend paying stock. It has a long history. Yet the dividend is not very attractive. That means stock is overpriced. So again, there will be comments on this. Immediately they will say that this stock is given that much, this much and all. I am talking based on the numbers. I am not doing any predictions. And this stock is a qualifier for small exposure in retirement portfolios. That's why I put this image. Once a bridge is built, one small gap is there. That small gap can be filled with this stock. Your retirement portfolio, if you have good number of stocks, add little of Colgate. You can keep it forever. That's again, when will this business go down? It cannot. When we do a individual video on Colgate, there is a lot of stories which I will talk on that. Again, all sets of investors are staying tight. Nobody is doing any extensive activity, and that's what is showing up in the stock price movement. It is not going either up or down. One can use staggered buying. That is, if you suppose want to add Colgate to your portfolio, say 1 or 2% you want to add to the overall portfolio, do a staggered buying, like five stage buying. When as the price drops 3 or 5%, you can fix up and add. Like 5 stage means, suppose you want to buy for 1 lakh, buy 20,000 rupees worth of stock in current price. Then it drops to 3 or 5%. You can fix up that level, 3 or 5%, add 1 more 20,000. Like that, 5 tranches. Most of the times, quality stocks will not go down that much. 2 or 3 you will get. So that's okay. Whatever has come is a benefit. Balance money, you can use it for some other stock. There are plenty of stocks available in the market which we can build like this. Of course, not everyone. Don't go and buy S-Bank or DHFL kind of stocks to average and all. That will all kill the portfolio. These are businesses which can be there for at least 3-4 generations from now. So for Colgate, it is a stock to be in a retirement portfolio, not for, as of now, not in an aggressive portfolio. Maybe when it builds up strength, then yes. So again, we buy a stock when it's building strength and sell it when it builds weakness. So we will not do bottom fishing and not hit the top. So that is our system process. So we use the system everywhere. We will never deviate from the system. So our thoughts on Colgate, it's a suitable stock for a retirement portfolio, very small exposure. You want to buy the stock, as of now, zones are not identified because just now it is broken out. It maybe another week or 2, it can have a zone. Then when it comes to the zone, you can buy. Make a decision, do your judgment and buy. If you are buying even for retirement portfolio also, you should have a plan how to accumulate the stock. Otherwise, just for buying and trading, hopefully not. It need to form some more patterns.